What is the difference between a jig and a reel? When you think about Irish music and dance, two terms often come up, jig and reel. But what exactly sets them apart? Let's break it down in a fun and simple way. First, let's talk about rhythm. Jigs are typically in 6/8 time. This means there are 6 beats in each bar. You can think of it as a lively bounce, often described as strong weak. If you can tap your foot to a count of 3 between taps, you are likely listening to a jig. On the other hand, reels are in for time. This means there are 4 beats in each bar. Reels are often felt into over 2, with strong beats on the first and third beats. If you can tap your foot to a count of 4, you are probably hearing a reel. Now let's look at their musical structure. Jigs usually have a more complex layout. They often follow an AABB pattern but can vary in length. Reels, however, typically consist of 2 parts, labeled A and B, each with 8 bars. These parts are often repeated in an AABB pattern, although variations can occur. When you are traveling in Ireland and attending a traditional music session, knowing the difference can really enhance your experience. If you want to dance along, understanding whether the music is a jig or a reel will help you keep the right rhythm. Jigs are perfect for lively dances like the jig step, while reels suit faster, energetic dances like the reel step. Both jigs and reels hold a special place in Irish culture. They are often played at social gatherings and festivals, bringing people together through music and dance. Understanding these forms can enrich your interactions with local communities and give you a deeper appreciation for Irish heritage. So next time you hear that catchy tune, remember the difference between a jig and a reel. Whether you are tapping your feet or joining in a dance, you will be part of a beautiful tradition that has been cherished for generations. Enjoy the rhythm and let the music take you away.